Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have another diamond painting but to unbox. Slash the stash. I'm sorry. I am trying to slash the stash, but I'm also increasing the stash. This is from Amy at Crystal Canvas Creations. I needed to try her store. I really did. I've heard so many good things about her rhinestones. And oh my God, it came so quick. I ordered this Thursday, maybe even Friday, and today's Sunday. I have it. Came today. Like 2 days. That's amazing. But I think it's because I'm in Kansas and this came from Maryland. So, how cool is that? This is awesome. So the box has the 6 steps to diamond painting on it. It's a pretty box. It says Crystal Arts, the magic of diamond painting. I've done one crystal diamond painting, and that's the Crystal Rose from Rainy Day Diamonds, and I just love it. I had so much fun doing it, and it's up in my office, and everybody just raves about it, how gorgeous it is, and how much time it must have taken me to do it. And of course, yeah, it took time. We all know that. Especially me, because I've always got, 4, 5, 6 things going on, including a job. So what do we have here? So this is the canvas. It's in, good condition so far. So the box has done its job as far as we know. Nothing, crushed there. So she's got a big old thing she wrote. Fragile. I don't know if you can see it, fragile, on the box. So I'm liking the feel of the canvas. Okay, we got everything out of the box. Looks like I'm gonna make a trip to the garbage. I was looking for an image that just spoke to me, and I found one. So here are the rhinestone drills. Oh, how nice. Okay, so it's already kitted up. It's already numbered, which I super enthusiastic about. Okay, 1 second, guys. The only criticism I have is that it's just the number. I diamond paint by symbol, so it's just got the number on there. I can live with that, but I will probably kit this up myself and put it in one of my storage containers so that I can put the symbols on here. So I'm sure there must be a toolkit in here. There is. Come on, toolkit. So, oh wow. Okay, it's a square green tray. I'm not crazy about it because it's a very thin lip. So my diamonds are going to go scooting everywhere if I were to use that tray. A simple pen with a single placer, piece of wax, some tweezers, and yeah, that's the toolkit. So let us look at the image. Oh wow. This is gorgeous, guys. Oh my God. Wait till you see it. So here is the image. I wanted something a little different. I like flowers in the crystal. I did that crystal rose bowl. Look at this. It's a heart, but it's also the world. It's like a map with these flowers all over it. It says glimmers, shimmers, and shines. On the top, there is her logo. Let's get a close up. Crystal Art, a paint by number concept. And here is the website if you want to get this canvas. www.crystalcanvas.us, and I'll put a link in here. Look at the little birdie. I think that's a birdie or a flower, but isn't this gorgeous? It's when I get it done, oh wow, it's going to be so beautiful. And this legend is so nice and clear and legible. Look at that. Lots of alphanumeric stuff and some symbols that we're all familiar with. Nothing, nothing crazy here. And a very, very clear canvas. See all those T's jumping out at you? Yeah, I love this. Oh, I always want to start right away. So the condition of the canvas. So it's covered in plastic. It again, I don't know if we're dealing with a poured glue, but it's beautiful. I think people are getting the idea that, we don't want this double-sided adhesive stuff. Now, it could be double-sided adhesive or it could be a mounted glue, but it's in great condition. And it may be because now they're covering the double-sided adhesive with plastic. In fact, I just ordered some plastic from AliExpress, and what I'm going to do is go back on all of my canvases that I'm not going to be able to get to that have the double-sided adhesive. I'm going to take off what's on there and put plastic over it because I think it will last longer and stay in better condition if there's plastic on it versus you know, this stuff. I love this stuff. It's great for, gridding and working, one section at a time. But, if you use the plastic, I think it's going to make your canvas last a little longer. Avoid that bubbling in the air. And, this is just my theory. But look how gorgeous this is. No bubbles. Nothing to be critical of. That is so cute. It is a little birdie. Oh gosh, I want to do it now. And it's just like a little snack thing that I could do out by the, it's a 40 by 40. I could do this out, Oh, wow. If you haven't ordered from Amy at Crystal Canvas Creations, wow, you got to give it a try. Oh, it's so beautiful. I don't want these bubbles in here though. Let me get this canvas. Look at the diamonds at the corner. Super cute, super cute. And the schematic is only on one side, guys, but I'm okay with that because this is not very large. It's not going to want to go down in one piece. I wish that it would. Okay, we're going to try. Oh, no, it didn't work. I really want this down in one piece. Without a bunch of air in it. Although I think there's another way to get the air out. We could turn it over and maybe just do this. Sometimes this bone tool works to help get the air out. I don't know if you can hear the air coming out. I'm just using this little bone tool. I learned this from Jeremy. So, let's see. Well, it helped. It's still got a little bit there and this crinkle here. Let's see if we can get that out of there. This plastic just doesn't want to work with me, does it? Okay. I'm struggling with the plastic. I am seeing a color here that I'm really liking. I got to show it to you guys. All right, enough playing with the plastic. Okay. Let's just look at the drills. I don't want to take them all out because they're all in order. But like I said, I saw a color that I really, really like. The DMC is here on the edge of the schematic, but they're not in DMC order, like some diamond paintings that you get. Oh, here is this beautiful color that was speaking to me. Look at that. Trying to get it to focus. Come on, focus. There we go. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? You're like, Rebecca, you didn't pull out a pink? What in the world? Now there's pink in here. Hold on, guys. I will find it. You know I don't buy a diamond painting unless it's got pink in it. And there is pink in this diamond painting. I just gotta find it. Oh, God, I love crystal. And this looks like the smaller ones, like maybe the 2.2, which is super cool. Oh, wow. Let's see, red. Oh my God, look at this one. Like a dark, dark blue. That's amazing. Oh, love that color. Love that color. What happened to the pink? Oh my God. Oh my God. I know there's pink in here. There's purple. Look at this blue. Oh, I love all these different blues. Okay, I know there's pink in here somewhere, guys. Where is the pink? Down here, number 19. 19. Come on, 19. Oh, I went the other way. This way. Ah, here we go. We found the pink. It doesn't want to. This is a light pink. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh, I'm loving that. And look at the diamonds themselves. Now, if that can, you know what? Hold on. Let's look at the diamonds. Look how pretty. And doesn't want to focus. Let's see. And if you can see the silver on the bottom, it's very flat, which is nice. There's no divots or anything like that. I'm not seeing a lot of damaged drills. Let's see if we can get that here. Look how pretty. Now you see some other colors have snuck in here for the party, but look at the quality of those drills. Just gorgeous. Good job, Amy. Good job. And this is going to be such a cute painting. Oh, wow. I feel like I've done so many large paintings that I could just zip through this, but you know, who am I kidding? I cannot start this yet. Stop, stop, stop. Yeah. Okay, so those are all back in order. So guys, thanks for coming on this journey with me. Please check out Amy at Crystal Canvas Creations. I will put the link to this diamond painting down in the description, but also look, right? Oh, look at the other bird. There's another bird. Oh, so cute. So there's the pink bird over here, the blue bird here, and they're on top of the world, which is shaped like a heart. This is so cute. Okay, here it is up here, Crystal Canvas. .us. So, and she has a lot of variety. This just happened to speak to me. I haven't done anything quite like it. So, go on their site, see what you like. I will put down in the description what I paid for it, when I ordered it, when I got it. Like I said, it was 2 days. So guys, take care, and I will see you in the next video.